Welcome back. Let's learn how to refine your ad creatives using creative tweaking with AI twins. The calendar is where every research study begins. Past studies, live sessions, and upcoming ones, all in one view. Click New Events to begin. This kicks off the wizard that walks you into qualitative research and then into creative tweaking. Next, click New Research Study. This opens the full menu of research types available inside consumr.ai. Now select the Qual card. This separates qualitative from quantitative research, so you enter the right workflow from the start. Qual research has many use cases. This section is built for creative refinement, content optimization, and the why behind consumer reactions. Here, we are focusing on creative tweaking, a way to use AI twins to refine ad creatives and identify exactly what to fix before launch. First, pick the ad type. New lets you evaluate a fresh creative, while existing lets you run a session on campaigns already living in your platform library. Add image is for the visuals, display ads, social creatives, banners, anything static headed for paid media. Add video handles the moving pieces, short-form social clips, product explainers, full campaign films. consumr.ai takes them all. Ad copy is where the words get tested. Headlines, taglines, body copy, social captions, any line written to sell. You can also evaluate landing pages, extending creative tweaking beyond display ads into the full digital experience consumers actually land on. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll go with that. Once your creative type is set, the next step allows you to upload your assets, or drop in a URL if you're evaluating a landing page, like in this case. After uploading, click Add Questions. This is where you define what consumer feedback you actually want to capture. consumr.ai recommends a question set tailored to your creative. You can also write your own or hit Recommend More for additional suggestions. Review every question in the panel. Edit, refine, or delete anything that doesn't fit your specific creative hypothesis. Now it is time to pick the AI twins who will react to your creative. Choose participants who match your real target audience. If you already know your AI twins well, you can select them manually. Otherwise, click Recommend, and our engine will choose the right AI twins for this research. You can run this meeting once or schedule it on a recurring basis. That way, you can track how the views of the same twins change over time. Need help picking? Click Recommend. The engine suggests the right mix based on your creative, brand, and category. You can run this meeting once or schedule it on a recurring basis. That way, you can track how the views of the same twins change over time. Watch participant feedback unfold live in the central panel, or step away and let the report land in your email when the session completes. When the session ends, your report opens with a structured view of every reaction. Organized findings ready for your team to act on. Use the action bar to quickly switch between insights, summaries, and detailed transcripts, and notice the bulb icon. That gives you suggested next steps for the study. You'll see exactly what the AI twins liked, the visuals, words, and elements that earned the strongest positive response, and exactly what fell flat. The parts that confused, bored, or alienated participants all flagged clearly. Scroll down for key takeaways and an action plan, a concrete findings to fixes roadmap your creative team can execute right away. Scroll to the bottom to find every AI twin's full response in detail, the unfiltered consumer voice, behind every insight in the summary. You can also click on each twin to view that individual twin's transcript. This helps you understand not just the summary, but who said what. And one recommendation, try to build more twins for meetings like this. If you only have one twin, it is often better to ask these questions directly in a conversation with that twin. Hope you enjoyed the video. To learn more, write to us at info@profitwheel.com. You can also fill out a quick form at consumr.ai or read more at resource.consumr.ai.